Okay, this screencast is going to show you how to add a chart to PowerPoint. The first thing you need to do is get some information to add to your chart. So you want to go to Office 365 and go to your forms, and when it loads it should show you the survey that you gave and show you how many responses you have. When you click on it, it will have two tabs, one with the questions, and then you want to click on the other one to find the responses that people gave you. You're going to be using a lot of this information on your PowerPoint infographic, but we're going to choose one piece to put as a chart directly into PowerPoint. So you're going to have this open, or you could write down the numbers. If it was yes, no, you would write how many yeses and how many nos on a piece of paper, or just keep this open, or you would have to write all of the information if you have multiple options of information. The next thing you're going to do is go ahead and open PowerPoint, and hopefully it'll show you the last infographic that you were working on. You're going to open that up, and you should have a title on yours already. And now we're going to go to Insert and choose Chart. It gives you lots of options, as you can see, of what type of chart you want to enter. So you want to choose something that's going to look nice on your infographic, and it's going to make sense for the type of information that you're giving. Pie charts are a nice visual way to show the numbers on something simple where you just have one question with multiple options. You could also maybe do a column. So columns can work well also, and you can see you have three-dimensional options, one-dimensional or two-dimensional options. I think I'm going to try a pie chart, and I'll try one that is three-dimensional. And now I click OK. And then it's going to ask me for the information that I need. So you're going to give your options along this side. If it was yes or no, you would put yes and no, and then you just can delete anything in this section. If you have more options, then you would type all of those in down the far left side. So on mine, I had 3 yeses and 2 nos. What you're going to do up here is, this is where you'll write your question. So mine was, have you ever felt bullied online? Oh my goodness. There we go. Okay, so this is the information, and you can see how it's changing down here. It shows which one is yes, which one is no, and then it's going to put the question at the top. So we can close this now, and now we can just work on the way that the chart looks. It gives you some options here, so you can go to your paint tools and change the colors, and it gives you, if you go to color over here, some different options of colors. You want to pick something that you think is going to look good with your color scheme. Remember, for infographics, we're choosing not too many different colors. So pick some colors that you think will look good with yours. I'm going to go with something like this. Okay, and then it gives you some other options whenever you click on it as well. So you can change the size of the fonts that are on here. So remember, we want our text to kind of stand out. You could make it bold if you want to. You can change the color of it. And then you can decide which elements are on it. Do you want the data labels, which I think is kind of a nice thing, so it actually puts the numbers on there for you. Do you need a legend, which is going to tell you, you probably don't need that, but mine's also not even showing up. So that's some of the changes that you can make. And then Here it's giving you some more options to change the way things look, and to decide what information goes on it and how you want to name things. So pretty simple. That's how you add a chart. Have fun.